Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I appreciate your support for so many years with a lot of people who've seen me progress and build not only my cars but my channel and my life and everything. This is overwhelming. That's why these past couple of years my content has just dropped drastically, because in 2021 I was offered a business. I didn't have the money for it, so I didn't buy it until the end of 2022, and since 2022 this is what I've been dealing with for 2.5, almost 3 years, sorting out this business. This is well six-figure business, and I got it for such a good deal, but obviously I have to put in a lot of hard work into it. And here are snippets of what I got when I picked it up, when I moved it myself, and when I had to separate into many storage units and into many different warehouses. This is the most organized and cleanest of how it's ever been, basically. Hence why I had to pause most of my projects, including my A4. And speaking of the A4, I've been posting like YouTube Reels or Instagram Reels. The car's been driving perfectly fine for this past year. Happy anniversary, by the way, which is when I finally got the car driving and started all that stuff 1 year ago, which is now September 29th. 2024, so September 28th, 29th is when I got it started running in 2023. So a lot of things have happened. I got this 1983 Audi UrQuattro 2.2 turbo 3B engine, 72,000 miles. I got 2022. I was restoring the car, but hence because I have this whole entire business, I won't be able to restore this car until I cash out of the business. And that's essentially what I've been trying to do, and that's my end goal for the end of this year, is just cash out this business. So far, I have everything pretty much organized and categorized the best I can. This section right here is pretty much all like broken parts and missing parts or cores. I could use that for cores. And then here, all the little red labels means it has been listed on eBay. It has a price. It's ready for sale. And then boxes like this where there's no red tag, it's organized, but it is not listed for sale. So this is all listed for sale. And then this section right here definitely belongs to my C4 Audi S6 and S4, the 1995. And then this section right here is specifically for the Audi A4, my parts. And then I got a convertible top here, struts, door rubbers, wiring harnesses. I got springs. Let me turn on my flash. Springs. Coolant hoses, transmission, AC lines. I got door panel inserts. I got headliners, hoods. This is overwhelming. And I've done this all myself. I moved it all myself. I organized it myself. This is the third time I moved it. I'm not moving it after this because I'm cashing out. I got subframes here, bumpers. I got vintage Audi parts right here. I'm categorizing this because I really want to get this car back on the road compared to all the other cars I have. I have brakes, struts, tie rods, dust shield covers, more wiring harnesses. I also got a forklift for sale. I don't need the forklift. That's my A4 carpet. I like my 1940s fridge by Firestone. And then I got more bumpers, shield covers, sun visors, leather seats, parts, transmissions. These are ZF6s and ZF8s. I got the R6 V8 by Turbo V engine. I got a whole wall of tires right here that I need to sell. Most of it's probably like dry rotted or old, so who knows. I got lots of exhaust systems, differentials, drive shafts. Yeah, drive shafts. This is just fully loaded from 1980s to 2023 Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, Lamborghini, Bentley, Seat, Yamaha, Ford, GMC parts. Mostly just the back parts. Subframes, doors, trunks. And then this section right here is for the B2 Audis, which is the 1983 and 1986 Audis. This is the B3 Audi, which is the 1990 and 1991 chassis, the one I'm working with as well. B2 as well. This is just fully loaded, parts everywhere. And if I go to the back, ow, that hurts. I got dashboards, more doors, trunks, fender liner covers. This is just overwhelming. Overwhelming. Quattro, baby. This is my next project. The A4 is pretty much done. I'm putting it back together. Just needs the interior back together. That's phase 1, by the way, the A4. Because, ow, I have to go wide body. I have to do all this other stuff to the car. Air suspension. I have to drop in that 700 horsepower Gen 3 engine in there. There's just so much I have to do. And then last but not least, this little section right here is just a bunch of doors and seats. Hence, this is what I've been dealing with this past 2.5 years, basically, when I got the business in 2022. Wait, is it 2022? It's been so long, and I'm doing this all myself. I just can't wait to cash out, figure out my life, figure out these cars, because this is too much for me to handle. But hey, if I want to become a millionaire or multi-millionaire, this is the path. And I apologize for not posting the videos, but I promise you there will be more content later on. And as always, thank you for your support. Follow me on Instagram, and just subscribe to YouTube for more future updates. I'm more daily or active on Instagram because YouTube, it takes so much time to edit the videos and this and that, but this is ironic. This is the first video I've ever recorded that hadn't cut segments, and I was able to speak my heart out because this is the truth. All myself, this is it. Let's cash out the end of the year, figure out my life. I want to get these cars running. I don't care about the money. I don't care about any of this. I just want to have peace in my life, enjoy my fun toys, and yeah, peace out.